Hi, so somebody asked me about castellated beams. I don't know a lot about them, but I do know just what some of them look like. I mean, there's a million different types. If you have the power pack, which I do have, but I had to uninstall because it wasn't working. Hopefully I'll get it installed again soon. I haven't used it, but there is a library of them in there. So I'm just going to do two different types, and hopefully that'll kind of cover whatever you need to do. So this one I'm just going to do a simple circle, 5-inch radius. So I'm just going to come in here, go to the features palette, and you can see there's a 5-inch circle. Then I'm going to come in, select that, and I'm going to copy that in the Y direction. You can see it's already set up. So preview. Sorry, you can see that I didn't grab the feature, I grabbed the circle, so let's cancel that and let's go back to 2D wireframe. And now we've selected the feature, and now we're going to copy, and we'll just do OK. I'll trust that I have it done right, and I do. And there you go. So now you end up with this type of castellated beam. Now you can make those shapes whatever you want, and then copy them across. And then you have this other type. So I've already set up a couple of lines here just to kind of speed it up a little. So I want to go to spline, and I'm going to create a spline across here to these points. So what we're trying to do here is create a curve where the beam will be cut and kind of put back together, I guess. Not sure the full purpose of these, to be honest with you. I haven't really used any on jobs. I'm familiar with working as an iron worker with them, but not actually drawing them. So let's just draw this in here, and we're almost there. So we're going to get to the end here, and then you're going, great, we have our contour, but how do we cut to this contour? So for one, we need to close it. And for two, it needs to be a polyline. So the problem we have at the minute is it's not closed. So here we're going to try and close it. And we're going to close it. So now it's kind of closed. It looks closed. But if we click on this, we can see it's not a polyline. It's a spline, because that's how we created it. So we want to go to convert to polyline, and 10 facets would do. And then we're going to go back to my 2D wireframe, select these 3, 4, and join them, and you can see they are now joined. And now what we can do in case we need another one is copy this up. So let's copy this up 10 feet, and you can see there's the other one. And now we'll go back to 2D wireframe. It'll be a little difficult for me to do this, but let me do it this way, because I usually work in 2D wireframe, but I know it's harder to see it. And we'll pick this one, the polyline, and we'll select the beam and right click, select the polyline, and there you go, we've cut that. So now we've cut that. Now we need the top part of the beam. So we can either create the top part of the beam by closing the polyline the opposite direction here, or we could rotate this. So let's rotate this between the point, this point here, which is the system line, and then the opposing point, which is the center of the bottom flange over here. And now you want to keep in mind that that's just rotating that. So down here you'll see copy reference, so do C for copy, and now you can see it's creating a copy, and I can just rotate that around, and now I have a copy of that beam. There's one, there's two, and they fit into each other. So I hope that helps. You can do whatever shapes you want, and the world is your oyster. Hope that helps. Take care. Bye bye.